Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you are all having a marvelous day. Today's video is a Poundland haul. Super excited about this Poundland haul. They have some amazing stuff in at the minute. If you guys have got a Poundland near you, do definitely go and check it out. So what we're going to do is get straight on in with this video. So guys, the first thing I got, and unfortunately again, I don't know what I'm doing with the packaging of these things when I put them inside my trolley and inside my shopping bags, but the packaging got completely destroyed. But these are a little pack of 16 window stickers. They are just little rubberized, if I can get it off to show you guys. Made a mess of that one. These are just little rubberized back stickers, and we'll pop this one off so you guys can see, and you just pop them on the window and it makes it look like snow's falling. So I'm going to cover my entire front room windows in these. I got 2 packs. We'll just pop that on. And these for 16 is £1, which I think is really good value. So super excited to get Christmas decorating. And that's our first little item. The next little item is a set of these money wallets. I don't know if you guys give money for Christmas. Some of my nieces and nephews like money rather than a gift, and I'm totally fine with that. And sometimes they like a gift voucher, but I was like a nice little card to put them into. So we got a 5-pack of money wallets. We've got this gorgeous green and red, very festive. Do not open until December 25th. And then we've got this gorgeous little gingerbread house. And these are unisex, so they're not specifically for boys or girls. You can use them either way. And you get the envelopes in the back. I think these are adorable for £1. I do know that you can buy one of these and it costs £1 from other places. So to get 5 in a pack, I thought that was really good value. Okay, the next thing that we got, again, I ripped the packaging. I'm so bad at keeping my packaging together, is a little pack of 3 shower kind of sponges. So you've got this full pad exfoliating glove. Great for exfoliating your skin, especially if you're going to tan. This one is quite rough, so that's going to take all the dead skin and stuff away. And then you've got these 2 less coarse little hand pads if you want to get to an area that needs a little bit more work or is a bit more rough. Something like the back of your ankle or the back of your heel. So if you wanted to do something a bit more detailed, you've got these little pads, and a pack of these is £1, which I think is great value also. I like the fact that it has the little hand string at the back so that you can keep it in place. And again, the same with the smaller one if you wanted to exfoliate your face. So for a pack of 3, I mean, I think that's pretty reasonable. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know if you guys have bought these before and what you think of them. I thought that was a really decent bargain. I was really happy with buying that. Let's have a look at this. This is super cute and adorable. This is little sleigh bells, snowman bath fizzers. I think these are super cute. They do have a little string if you wanted to put them on your Christmas tree. They're quite weighty, so they may actually end up pulling the branches down. Not what I would recommend doing, but these are so cute. I love the way they get smaller as you go up the little snowman. And let's just, okay. They have a really fresh cotton linen smell. I really like that. I like getting into a bath. It smells really fresh and floral. So you're definitely getting that in this little pack. But this is also a cute little gift if you wanted to put it into as a stocking filler. So all you do is add to a warm bath until dissolved. Get in and relax. So adorably cute. Only £1. Great value. Okay. I think we only have 2 food items in this haul. I didn't really see a whole lot of festive-y things in Poundland, but I did see these Haribo Penguins, and they look really tasty. They're just a bit different. £1 a pack, which I think is great value because you're getting 160 grams of product. But in the pack, we have peach and vanilla, strawberry and vanilla, and blackcurrant and vanilla. So really interested to find out what these are like. So we're going to go ahead and open them. Just tear the little side off. And let's go ahead and have a peach and vanilla. Let's take one of each, and then I can tell you guys what they taste like. Let's get a little red one out. So this is the strawberry and vanilla. I like the fact that you've got the foam, and then you've got the gelatin jelly bit in the middle. So, they're super chewy. I really, really like the flavor of the strawberry. It's very good. We've got peach and vanilla, can nearly say that. Look how adorable these are. The peach flavor is not as distinctive as the strawberry, but it's still nice and fresh. And then we have the blackcurrant. Blackcurrant is very good. However, the strawberry is definitely my favorite. But I think these are cute, adorable, and they're great as a little stocking filler just to pop in a stocking as a Christmas morning treat. So £1 for those I thought was really good value. Okay, guys, my next little purchase in this haul. I'm still trying to chew this sweet. And I'll just get rid of it. The next little item is a Look at Me eyeshadow brush, and it has fiber brush bristles for softness. It's a medium-sized brush. I did need another eyeshadow brush because mine broke. So I picked this little item up. It was £1. I think £1 for a brush is pretty decent value. It has a little wooden handle, and it is super soft. It's soft, but it's got that rigid feel to it. So it will apply your eyeshadow and keep it where you want it to go, but it's not going to lose its shape. So cute little eyeshadow. And I love the little packaging it came in. It very much reminds me of, a Japanese style Daiso shop brush. Really cute, adorable. I'm loving that little brush. That is not even going back in the packaging. That will go straight into my makeup bag. I love a nail file. So we've got these glow up nail files. It's a set of 3. They are glittery and sparkly. They're white on the underside. Love a set of nail files. And these are great if you're making something like a pamper pack as a giveaway, or if you're making a pamper pack up for a Christmas present. I think these are always super cute to have in a little hamper. And I will probably end up I will keep one of these, and then I'll probably use 1 or 2 of the others just to pop into a little hamper or a giveaway. So I really, really like this little item. The next thing I've got, guys, pretty standard, just shampoo. I don't know if you guys have ever used Vosine Medicated. This is great shampoo. It is for all hair types. And I think what I like about this shampoo and why I consistently buy it is the smell. It smells very medicated. And I love it. It just smells fresh and clean. And it's a great shampoo, especially if you've got dandruff. I don't really suffer from that, which is awesome, but I do like the smell of this shampoo. These little shampoos are only £1, and you're getting 250 milliliters of product for the price point. So I think that is pretty awesome. Something else that I love are these little XHC Expel hair care products. I love a nice scented sweet conditioner, and I use a lot more conditioner because I've got very long hair than I do of shampoo. So I always buy doubles. I do have the banana shampoo and I do have the strawberry conditioner, but I have more shampoo than I have conditioner left. So these are just to top up what I already have. If you guys have not tried this, do try it. It smells gorgeous. It leaves your hair feeling sleeky, shiny, and smooth, just like it says on the packet. And these little bottles hold 400 milliliters of product. I think that is awesome for the price point. You're getting quite a lot of product for very little money. So these are definitely a staple, always in my basket. And if you get the opportunity, do try them out. Okay, guys. Next little item is another food item. Oh my gosh, if you guys have not tried these Rice Krispie squares, they're only 81 calories per bar and they're birthday cake thins. They are delicious. They look exactly like they are on the packet. You get a set of 4 and they're only £1. They are so good as a healthy treat for your kid when they're going to school. Pop one of these into their stocking for Christmas morning and they will really be happy. If you guys have not tried them, you need to check these out. These are so good. We're getting down to the last little items we have. So the next thing that I bought is this cup. I just loved the shape of this cup. It is so pretty. This is for me. What I didn't notice on the back was there's some nail varnish on the back. I don't mind that. I'll get a little nail varnish remover and just wipe that away. But look how pretty this little cup is. And I love that it says the struggle is real, because the struggle is real, guys, right? You get a little pair of cozy pink socks and it's gift wrapped. It's a mug and sock set for £2. And I just thought that was adorable. I do know that mugs can cost way more than £2. And these little fluffy socks are usually £1 a pair. So for £2, I think I got a really good bargain. And this would make such a nice present to put into a gift basket. It's just cute, it's adorable, and look at that cup. That cup is just delightful. The next thing in this haul is I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos recently on creative activities that you can do with children and things to kind of, you guys know you're all in lockdown right now. You have a bit of extra time on your hands. It's always good to keep your mind active by doing creative little arts and crafts. But I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos recently doing these gem art sets or the diamond sets. And they just look like a ton of fun. This little pack cost me £1. Inside the pack, you're getting the picture board, the gems, the gem tool, the tray, and the wax to attach it to your board. This is the whole pack. This little item was only £1, which I thought was amazing. It did come in other designs. I picked this one because it was the first one there. I also like unicorns. Bonus. So if I really like this and I really enjoy it, I'm definitely going to go back and get some more of these little activities. They're just fun. They keep your mind active and they do give you something to do when you're stuck at home in the middle of lockdown. So it's just a lot of fun. I might actually do some of I've bought quite a few craft activities. I'm going to do some hauls later on in the future. So what I might actually do, guys, is actually do a couple of videos on these. Leave in the comment section below if you'd like to see me do some of these activities just to show you what they're all about. But this looks like a lot of fun and I'm definitely excited about this little item. The next thing that we got is this gorgeous, guys, this did come in a box. The box was trashed in the store and I asked the lady at the store, could I take it out of the box and just take the actual unit? And she was totally fine with it. It's this little light up deer and Christmas tree ornament. It's just plywood, but it's so light and delicate and super pretty. It takes 2 AAA batteries, which I've already put in, and look how pretty that is. Guys, this was only £3. I've seen these little things for much more than that. So for £3, I think this is definitely an awesome bargain. I love when the light hits it and you can see the twinkle of the little glitter on the trees. It is super pretty, super adorable, and will make a very welcomed addition to my Christmas decorations. We're just going to leave that lit up in the background for you guys all to see. Let me show you these. I really like these. These are, This one's come off. That's fine. It's totally easy to pop these back on. There's a little ridge at the side. Sometimes they come off when you put them in with your shopping, but it's totally fine. These little Santa Christmas stockings are super fun. They're glittery, they're shimmery. I love them. And they're only tinsel decoration. And they're only £1. I bought 2 because I want to put them up in my kitchen windows, just to make my kitchen look a little festive when we're all eating dinner. But they're super cute. They're super adorable. They're cheap. And I think they're really, really cute. Let's pop our little stockings right back here. Oh, I think they're going to fall. If they fall, they fall. There's nothing we can do. We'll pop this over here and just readjust our little set. So they're cool and they're fun. Keeping in line with the activity side of this video, I got these little, they're called Crafty Things, and they are make your own sequin art. They're for 8 and above. I purchased 2. I purchased a little doggy, which is cute, and I purchased a butterfly. This is the 4 that you can collect in the series. So you've got a butterfly, you've got fish, you've got a parrot, I think, and a dog. And these are little art pages. So you get a card, and then you get a bunch of sequins, and all of the sequins behind the card, all the picture on the card corresponds to the sequins that you add, and they're simple pins. So you put your pin in the sequins and push it into the card, and it just makes a gorgeous picture. Again, guys, I'm hoping to do videos on these little craft sets, but I also bought them just to kind of keep me active when I'm not working and when I am in the middle of lockdown and have nothing else to do. Last item, let me just pop these right back. Guys, the last item that I have in this haul is, well, it's not one item, to be fair. It's 4. These are the cutest jigsaws I've ever seen in my life. They look like the mini cereals, but they're jigsaws. So you get a jigsaw puzzle that looks like this box, which I just think is cute. These are for age 6 and above. They're made with recycled material, which is a bonus for the environment. They're 50 piece, and this is the series you can get. I didn't see the crunchy nut when I was there, and I didn't see the special K, or I would have picked those up as well. And I just think these are going to be a fun little addition to my Christmas, trying to think of the word, as a little stocking filler, to my Christmas stocking filler. That's what I meant. I just think they're cute, they're adorable, and for £1 each, I really couldn't walk by them. I have seen other types in the pound shop of these little jigsaws, and I think the next time that I go to the pound shop, Poundland, I'll pick those up and I'll do another haul and you guys can see those. But how adorable are these? These are super cute. I really, really, really love them. So guys, that's my haul for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to smash that like button. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you with us, and don't forget about the notification bell. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.